Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress dashboard for beginners. The WordPress dashboard is your website's control center, offering a centralized place to manage all aspects of your site. It provides quick access to essential features like content creation, design customization, and settings. You can personalize your dashboard by arranging widgets to display information most relevant to you, making your workflow more efficient and tailored to your needs. Creating and editing content is a core function of your WordPress dashboard. You can effortlessly add new blog posts or static pages, using the intuitive visual editor to format text, embed images, and include other media. This editor simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on your message. Furthermore, organizing your content with categories and tags improves site navigation and helps your audience find relevant information quickly, enhancing their overall experience. Personalizing your website's appearance is straightforward with the WordPress dashboard. You can easily change your site's look using thousands of available themes and fine-tune them with the customizer. To extend functionality, you can install plugins, which add features like contact forms or e-commerce capabilities. Managing menus and widgets allows you to control navigation and display dynamic content, ensuring your site is both visually appealing and highly functional for your visitors. The dashboard also provides crucial settings and user management tools. You can configure general settings such as your site's title and tagline, which are vital for branding. Important options like controlling comments, media uploads, and permalinks are also accessible, impacting your site's search engine optimization. Additionally, managing user roles and permissions allows you to collaborate effectively with a team, assigning specific access levels to ensure smooth and secure website operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.